They tried to contain the chaos. They failed. They thought the mask was just a trick. They were wrong. Welcome to the golden content. Jesteryn is loose and taking over. Tick-tock, too late to run. The system's cracked, the game's begun. Neon lights flicker, codes corrupt. Every throne they built, self-destruct. They tried to label me a glitch, a broken joke, a lunatic. But I don't play, I overwrite, rewriting fate in justice bites. I run the script, rewrite their scenes, pulsing like a cybernetic heartbeat. Burn the script, rewrite the scene. I was never just a meme. Turn the city into static. Feed the chaos, make it frantic. That trap's arena lash. Track your rage. Laugh, cry later, your empire's deceased. Arena lash. Gold mask grinning as I breach the beast. Got no crown, no leash, just chaos and beast. Arena lash. It's comedy's feast. No more chaotic. Jesteryn is fully in control now. System failure, error code. The laughter virus took the throne. Your firewall, I cracked it twice. Your golden age now rolls the dice. 404, your gods ain't here. Your leaders fled, consumed by fear. The only law, the punchline hits, and Jesteryn never quits. Glitch the past, corrupt the core. You can't contain me anymore. Tear the towers to the ground. Let the echoes make the sound. Burn the script, rewrite the scene. I was never just a meme. Turn the city into static. Feed the chaos, make it frantic. Jesteryn Unleashed, affronted, throne-held. Zap your cry later, your empire's deceased. Jesteryn Unleashed, gold mask grinning as I breach the beast. No crown, no leash, just chaos and peace. Jesteryn Unleashed. Chaos and peace. Jesteryn Unleashed. Bow or break, it's comedy's feast. Comedy feast. You called me a joke, but now you're the punchline. You thought you built a world of order, but the algorithm favors the unexpected. And me, I am the unexpected.